guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick little Hobby Lobby haul. This week the brand The Paper Studio is 50% off. So of course the one thing I went for, which are those like plastic sleeves to store like photo album stuff, were like nowhere in the store. Like the whole wall was blank, and so I thought that was really weird. Anyway, I picked up some of these shaker stickers. I already picked up the balloon ones when they first came out, but I hadn't grabbed this girl, so I picked her up. It's that cute little planner girl, and her glasses have shaker bits in it. And then of course I picked up another balloon one because this reminds me of the confetti collection. Then I don't think I've ever picked these up. Then again, I don't know, I haven't been in my craft room in so long, I don't know what I have. But these cute little 3D foam, popped up on foam little mermaids. Again, everything was 50% off. Not everything, Paper Studio stuff. And then I picked up these little mini sacks in the party section. They're super pastel pink and white stripe, and it does have that little like bottom part of the bag, kind of like a lunch sack, you know. So those were cute, and that comes with 16. And I saw some of these. I figured I'd grab another pack. These are perfect for like gifting. Only 99 cents clearance. Some cute stuff. I figured this will be good for like, again, sending to people. And I picked up some of these tags because I love the little geometric heart. It reminds me of that Maggie Holmes die. And then it's got a little tassel at the bottom. You could easily make your own, but sometimes it's easier to buy. Then I picked up some storage bags, but these are for cards. I figure any cards I make that are A2 size, as you can see right here, I could just pop them in a bag. So it's perfect for size. Then I picked up some of these little bunnies in the Easter section. Easter stuff was 40% off. Then I picked up some of these eyelash like puffy stickers, and they got like a black glitter, 50% off. Then I picked up some of this vinyl, which is, I'm pretty sure, new this year. It's more of a like matted, tiny shimmer sparkle glitter style of vinyl. And this is regular vinyl, like it'll stick to plastics and stuff like that, you know, it's not the iron-on stuff. So this is the regular one, and I have plans for this for my craft room, so I'm super excited. Then I picked up 2 of these glitter papers because they were clearanced out for 49 cents. I just picked up 2 more because I already did haul a bunch of this stuff, because I saw Lady Cree, she gifted Wanda some, she just cut this, you know, into 4s so that it was easier for shipping, and I think that's a great idea to send some super glitter paper to some pals. And then I picked up 3 of these new vinyls, and it says it's made with new material, so I don't know if it's like a thicker, nicer, but these were 50% off. Why is my camera blurry? It's almost like a it's not shimmery, but it's a very soft, smooth pink. I don't know how to describe it. Like, I feel like it's not a regular matte one. I don't know. Maybe it has like a sheen of white to it. I'm not sure, but I like it. And then in like the, you know, like the stuff where they have for like t-shirt making and hair bow tie making stuff. They have this little bag, this style bag, $1.24. Figured I'm going to make my son something so he can shove all his toys in it. Then I got this bag. I'm going to make it like a boat bag. I'm going to put like a decal on that. And then these are my favorite to gift and Happy Mail, you know, and put funny sentiments on them. These little like side pouch zipper things, and they're clearanced out for 49 cents. So I got 2 cream color or canvas color and then 2 black. So yeah, that's my haul, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.